You know, we all want to be famous or be that big time influencer. But I know from past experience that having people recognize you during your everyday life can be quite fun if you have the right mentality. Just as an example, let me show you my images. There was 47 of them throughout Sky Harbor Airport, a top 10 airport in the US that had over 40 million views a year of me. I couldn't even go and pump gas without people looking at me going, I think I recognize that guy. Part of what we want to do at Body Cam Network is to give you the tools so that you can post, show your everyday life that people want to see. It's important to them. This is what we want to do. We want to help give you the tools. So we actually have free cams, which is part of why we have Kickstarter. Part of the proceeds will go to give cams to people who can't afford to purchase them. But we also have the other tools to help make you seen. Get it?